Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a page on Wix in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing you this in the Wix editor. First, log into your Wix account and head to your My Sites dashboard. Find the website with the page you want to delete and click the Edit Site button next to it. Once the Wix editor loads, you'll see your site's current design and page structure. Now, look at the left side of the editor and click on Pages and Menu. The icon looks like stacked rectangles. When you click it, a panel opens up showing your complete list of pages. In that Pages and Menu panel, find the page you want to delete. Hover over the page name and you'll see a More Actions icon appear. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several options, including Delete, Rename, Duplicate, and Hide. Click Delete from that drop-down menu. As soon as you do, a pop-up notification will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. This is Wix's 2-step confirmation process to prevent accidental deletions. In that pop-up, click the Delete button again to confirm you want to permanently remove the page. Once you confirm, the page immediately disappears from the Pages and Menu panel. Now here's the crucial part. The page isn't removed from your live site yet. You need to publish the changes. Look at the top right corner of the Wix editor and click the Publish button. Once you publish, the page is completely removed from your live website and automatically disappears from your site's navigation menu as well. A couple of important things to know. If the page you're trying to delete is currently set as your home page, you'll need to set a different page as the home page first before Wix will let you delete it. Also, if the page is linked to a Wix app like Wix Stores or Wix Blog, you'll need to delete the app from your My Business section first, then come back and delete the page. The page deletion is permanent once you close the editor. There's no undo button after that, so make sure it's definitely the page you want gone. If you need to recover a deleted page, you can check site history for a recent backup if you published before deleting. The undo icon at the top of the editor can also revert changes, but only during your current editing session before you close the tab. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.